Set the gun down.
Hey, if he crosses that yellow, I'm going red light.
Go ahead, get ready.
Hey, no, Nelson, don't do this.
Nelson,
dude.
stop walking forward.
Nelson, don't come any closer.
Nelson, stop walking forward.
Go back over there, Nelson. Just go back over. Go back over. Walk backwards, man. Walk backwards. Thank you. One step at a time. Slowly walk back. No, I want you to walk back. Walk back and we can talk. No, there's what? Okay, no, there's nothing stuck in your throat.
Hey.
Just walk back. Yeah.
If there is, we can help him, but he has to put the guns down.
Hey, if there's something in your throat, we can help you, but you just got to put those guns down.
Where in the last week?
I'm right here.
Look over at me.
Hey, do not cross that yellow line, or I'm gonna hit you.
Okay? Nelson, walk back. Drop the guns. Work with me. You got to work with me, man. I'm a nice dude. Everybody here is nice. We're all here to help you. But we got to help you. You got to put those guns down so we can help you. Right? Thank you for backing up, man. Now we're working. Now just set the guns down. Huh? Hey, just take the knee, put the guns down. You're good. Thank you for backing up. Now we're working. Right? Nelson, what's your last name, Nelson? What? Okay. Hey. He's behind the orange tree. Hey, Nelson.
Hey, Edge, right down this little barricade on the right. We can see him. Hey, Nelson, stop there.
Nelson, you need to back up. Nelson, you need to back up or I'll shoot. Back up, Nelson, please.
Take a step back, Nelson. You got to work with me. You got to work with me, Nelson. Thank you. Dude, you're doing good, man. All I need to do is just take a deep breath, bro, and put the guns down. Then we can help.
Lost visual.
Okay, just set it down. Awesome.
You still got one more, right?
Okay.
Nope.
Hey, listen to me. Nelson, stop.
Don't touch it.
You got your other hand. Do the same thing with your other hand. Stop. No.
Do not.
No.
Hey, red light! Red light!
Stop. Put the other gun down just like you did with that one. We're working, Nelson. Nelson, look at me. We're working together. Do the same thing with your other hand. Set it down the same way, nice and slow. You did that on your own. Beautiful. Super slow. Go super slow again and set it down.
Pick it up. Red light! Red light!
No. Pick the gun up. Perfect. Set the other gun down. We're halfway there, Nelson.
I have no shot now with you here.
No. Hey, Nelson. Nelson, listen to me. Set that other gun down.
Red light! Red light!
Nelson. That's all right. Don't worry about that, Nelson. Hey, I can't see it. Nelson.
Red light! Red light!
Nelson, move back over so I can talk to you.
On your right. On your right.
You want me here? You're right, W right. You're right, W right.
Gun in his left hand. Gun in his left hand. Gun in his left hand.
Nelson, put the gun down.
Hey, Nelson. Nelson. Nelson, look over here and come back. Nelson, move back over.
Don't move anymore, Nelson.
Hey, if he crosses the yellow, I'm hitting him again.
Hey, Nelson.
Hey, careful. About to red light. About to red light. Red light! Red light! Nelson, move back to your right or I'm going to hit you.
Watch your right.
Nelson, move back to your right or I'm going to hit you.
Nelson.
Red light! Red light! That's lethal! got you.
Hey, cuff him, cuff him, cuff him. Move.
Don't cuff him right now. Go ahead and search him and see if anything else on him.
Hey. Oh shit.
Hey, you want medic stuff on my back?
Right. Hey, you got body? Someone hold on this door.
One on the left, one
2 holes in the door.
Hey, I got person down there. Hey, are you okay? My leg. Your leg? Okay, hold on. I'm coming to you. Are you okay? Stay down.
Front. Hey, put your hands up. Show us your hands. Hands up.
Take him. More bodies on me. Don't take him.
I'm with you. I got an ERW. I got a handgun out. Okay. Okay.
He's been walking now back and forth. So in this corner right here, there's a homeless guy inside with those yellow right there.
Okay. Homeless guy over here. Okay.
They get solved super easy. All you have to do is
So he can walk around freely back there. He can pop out over here on the other side of this partition.
So this hallway right here.
Yes, so it looks the same on the other side as it does on this side. Yeah?
When you say the other side, you mean behind the yellow?
He has access to this hallway right in front of us. Okay. No, this hallway. In front of
At
us.
the end of the hallway?
Yes.
Lower. I can't see you drop it.
He's setting it down. He's setting
See
one
you
down.
drop it.
I see one. I see one.
That's one. Still got one. Can't see it.
I can't see it either.
set it down the same way, nice and slow. You get down on your own, you super slow.
Back it up. You still got it.
I see it.
Left hand.
Got you.
I can't see the gun.
Understood.
Behind his hand. Still behind him. Still behind him. Still behind him. Put it down, Nelson. Don't coach. Nelson. Still got the gun. Where's my backdrop? Steve, how's my backdrop?
Backdrop is good. Backdrop is good.
How's my backdrop, Steve?
Backdrop is good. Backdrop is good.
On your right.
How's my backdrop?
I got you. I got you.
You're right. You're right.
Hey,
You're right.
gun in his left hand.
I see it. I see it. What?
Put the gun down.
Everyone. Stop.
Hold up. Hold.
Gun in his left hand.
I understand.
Gun in his left hand. Nelson, don't go it. Hey,
Put it
hey,
down. Put it down.
Put it down. Hey,
Just put it down. Stop right there. Put it down.
don't move anymore, Nelson.
Hey, if he crosses the yellow, I'm hitting him again.
Okay.
Hey, Steve, get that 40 up. I told you that before. Let's go.
Where's the 40? Give me a 40.
Hey, we got 40 him.
Hey, careful. Lock the red light. Lock the red light.
Give me a 40. Give me a 40. Give me a 40.
I'm going to hit you.
Go back.
Nelson, move back.
Is there a 40 here?
Or I'm going to hit you.
Red light. Red light.
Put the gun down.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Oh! Hey, barrel. Good barrel down. Barrel down.
Down.
Get medical aid. Medical aid.
Move it up.
Shield up. Hold.
There's people behind. Check behind.
Render A.
Let's go. We need medical.
People behind. Check down there.
Hey, cuff him.
No, don't cuff him right now. He's not ever.
Let's get medical aid. Search him real fast. Make sure there's nothing on him.
Go back. Enough. Take a breath.
Hey, somebody take my guns. I give medical aid.
Go back.
Nelson, move back to your right, or I'm going to hit you.
Nelson.
Red light, red light, red light, free ball.
Put the gun down! Don't shoot him! Gun down! Hold. Hold. Gun barrel down! Barrel down! Get that shield up. Let's move up. Get medical aid. Medical aid. Shield up. Move it up. Shield up. Shield up. Shield up. Shield up. Shield up. Moving. Get the gun. Hold. People behind. Catch behind. All right.
Render A.
Let's go. We need medical.
Hey, I got tourniquets and medical on the back.
There's people behind.
We're gonna be a revival.
Hey, cuff him. Move.
No, don't cuff him right now. He's not ever. Go ahead and search him. Make sure you have anything else on him. Search him. You get medical aid immediately.
Hey, get my medic stuff on my back.
Pull back. Enough. Take a breath.
Let's clear that reflection room. Hey, bro, get some guys.
Where's the reflection man? We'll go get him to be out of there.
There's still contacting someone back there, right?
Somebody contact somebody right there?
No, we're good. Hold right now. Anybody who fired? All right, I need them back behind this wall. You fired? Shield up! Moving. Get the gun. Hold. All right.
Render A.
Let's go. We need medical.
Nelson, don't go it. Hey.
Put it down.
Hey.
Put it down. Stop right there. Put it down.
Don't move anymore, Nelson.
Hey, if he crosses the yellow, I'm hitting him again.
Okay. Dude.
40. Give me a 40.
Hey, you gotta 40 him. We gotta 40 him.
Hey, careful. Out to red light.
Hey.
Red light. Nelson, back to your right, or I'm going to hit you.
Go back.
Nelson, move back to your right, or I'm going to hit you.
Red light.
Free ball.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Hold! Hey, gun barrel down! Barrel's down!
Move up. Get medical aid.
Medical aid! Move it up! Shield up!
Moving.
Get the gun! Hold! There's people behind! Check behind! Render aid! Someone render aid! I got a hold! There's people behind there! Hey!
I got tourniquets and medical.
There's people behind! There's people behind! We got check down there! Someone check on me! We're stuck!
Cuff him. Move.
Don't cuff him right now.
Hold
Behind that.
Go ahead and search him.
Shit, I got 2 holes.
Hey, get my medic stuff on my back.
Check here. Hey, do I got bodies? Someone hold on this door.
Open the door.
Hey, I got person down here. Hey, are you okay?
My leg.
Your leg? Yeah. Okay, hold on, moving. I'm coming to you. Are you okay? Stay down.
Hey, put your hands up. Show us your hands. Hands up.
Take him. More bodies on me. Someone take him.
There's gonna be a gap.
I see him. Gun in hand. Go up.
Watch your right.
On your right.
My backdrop.
You're on your right.
Gun in his left hand.
I got him. Nelson, put the gun down.
Everyone. Stop.
Hold up. Gun in his left hand. Nelson, don't go it.
40 on your right side.
Hey.
Put it down.
Hey.
Put it down. Stop right there. Put it down.
Don't move anymore, Nelson.
Hey, if he crosses the yellow, I'm hitting him again.
Okay. Hey, get that through here.
Hey, be careful. Off the red light. Red light.
cuff him. Where's the gun?
Don't cuff him right
Guns right here. Guns right here.
now. Go ahead and search him. Make sure you have anything else on him. Search him all. You get medical aid immediately.
Hey, give him medical stuff on my back.
Pull back. Enough. Take a breath.